All right, bro, as we sit on top of this mountain,
God's creation, brother.
my question for you is, what was the lowest moment in your life?
The lowest point in my life, brother, was when I decided to endeavor into entrepreneurship, and my family kind of rejected it. My parents kind of went away. My family kind of went away, and I was in it for myself. You know, they said, go get a job, do the 9 to 5, do the traditional stuff. And if you don't do that, it felt kind of like they isolated me alone. It was about 1.5 years, but I realized that it was the necessary thing in order to get to the next level. And I know a ton of people go through it, bro. The having your family hold you back.
Mm-hmm.
It was a low point, but now they know the truth.
Mm-hmm.
They realize that I was right, and we're moving forward.
How did you push past that?
Proving them not with my words, but with my actions. You need to teach people by example.
To somebody at their lowest moment right now watching this video, what do you say to them?
There's only one way, one direction. If you're at the bottom, there's only one way, but you got to look up. And when you look up, there's somebody there waiting for you. His name is God.
Mm-hmm.
And he's there with a hand, reaching out, waiting for you to take control of your life. Because I learned one very important lesson. Your relationship with God is like that of a captain and a crew member.
Mm-hmm.
One rows, the other one steers. But it's very interesting because many times in our life, we want to get confident and cocky and arrogant. And God says, I steer, but I do not row.
Mm-hmm.
We need to put in the work, and God will guide. And that's the greatest lesson I've learned.
That's amazing, brother. You know, that piece of wisdom right there might change somebody's life. Somebody at home watching that right now, they might
God's in control, bro. You just got to put in the hours. You just got to clock in. Got to do you.
And he loves all of us.
Absolutely.
No matter what stage you're at. And he will forgive you for the mistakes that you made in your life.
100%, bro. We're all prodigal children. We're all at his mercy, but he gives us this matrix to really level up and get to know him, his beauty. And what else is there, bro? I definitely don't want the Excel spreadsheets and the big bank accounts under fluorescent lights. I want to live a life of freedom, a life of impact, and a life that will leave change. And I know you do too, brother.
That's right. We're on that path together, my boy.
Love you, G.
Love you too.